Hello students, our today's topic is 18 electron rule as applied to metallic carbonyl. The formation of mononuclear carbonyl by transition elements with even atomic number can also be explained on the basis of 18 electron rule. In the previous lecture we were discuss about EAN rule. So that rule is applied for even and odd metallic atom having even and odd atomic numbers, and this rule can be applied with the even atomic number and the atoms which are transition elements. So for example, some carbonyls are given, that is chromium hexacarbonyl, ferrous pentacarbonyl and nickel tetracarbonyl. So let's see how the 18 electron rules are applied for such type of carbonyls. Here chromium hexacarbonyls are given, and this is the outer electronic configuration of this metal, that is chromium, which is 3d5 4s1. So number of outer shell electron in zero oxidation state, which is indicated by letter A. These are the electrons which are present in outer shell. 3d5 4s1, that is 6 electrons are present in outer shell. Then number of electron donated by carbonyl group, which is indicated by letter B. How many electrons are donated by carbonyl groups, that is CO group. So there are CO6. So how many electrons? 2 into 6, that is 12 electrons are donated by carbonyl group. Then the total number of electron on metal atom, that is A plus B. How many electrons are present there? Total 6 plus 12, which is equal to 18. It gives number 18. That's why such type of carbonyls, that is mononuclear carbonyl, means 18 electron rule is applied for such type of carbonyl. In this case, ferrous pentacarbonyl, outer electronic configuration of ferrous is 3d6 4s2. So 8 electrons are present in outer shell, and number of electrons donated by carbonyl group, that is 10 electrons. So 8 plus 10 18. This also follow the 18 electron rule. Nickel tetracarbonyl 3d8 4s2, 10 electrons in outer shell, and number of electron donated by carbonyl 8. So 10 plus 8, which is equal to 18. So nickel tetracarbonyl can also follow 18 electron rule. The formation of binuclear carbonyls, this is all about, we are discuss here all about, this is all about mononuclear carbonyls. Now what is about the binuclear carbonyl, whether this is follow 18 electron rule or not. So binuclear means there must be present 2 atoms of metal. The formation of binuclear carbonyls having metal atoms with odd atomic number can also be explained on the basis of 18 electron rule. So let's explain some examples, that is CO2, CO8, CO2, 2 metal atoms are present, hence it is a binuclear carbonyl. So cobalt have outer electronic configuration of 3d7 4s2. इलेक्ट्रॉन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन देखते हैं इसका. 2 कोबाल्ट एटम्स है, सो 2 इंटू आउटर इलेक्ट्रॉन में शेल में कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है? 7 plus 2 9. So 2 into 9 electrons, that is 18 electron for 2 cobalt. Then 8 carbonyls. For 8 carbonyls 16 electrons are present, and there is one carbonyl cobalt metal bond. One metal bond is present, means for one metal bond 2 electrons are present. The total of all these electrons is equal to 36 electrons. This is for 2 metal atoms, and for single metal atom, then for single cobalt atom there are 18 electron rule, means binuclear carbonyl can also follow 18 electron rule. Here Mn2CO10 manganese, which is 3d5O4s2, it is the outer electronic configuration. For 2 manganese atom, 14 electrons present. For 10 carbonyl groups, 20 electrons present. And for 1 metal-metal bond, 2 electrons present. And total of all these, which is equal to 36 electrons. This is for 2 metal atoms, and for single metal 18 electrons, means this type of carbonyl also follow 18 electron rule. Now for ferrous, means ferrous has an even atomic number. This is, we are discuss here about odd atomic numbers, but ferrous Fe has even atomic number, that is 26. Atomic number of ferrous is equal to 29. The formation of its binuclear carbonyl, इसका binuclear carbonyl Fe2CO9 can also be accounted for the 18 electron rule. How? Outer electronic configuration of Fe is equal to 3d6 4s2, means 2 into 8 electrons, which is equal to 16 electrons total. And how many carbonyl groups? 9 carbonyl group. So 9 into 2 electron means total 18 electron. And Fe bond is there. For one Fe bond, ये क्या है? Fe bond, and ये 9 carbonyl group के लिए, so which is equal to 2 electrons, so total 36 electrons आ गया. 18 electron rule follow हो गया. This is for 2 ferrous atom, and for single Fe atom, which is equal to 18 electron. So odd and even both type of atomic numbers can follow 18 electron rule.